So there was been a small update to Silent Hill F for the version 1.005, and it updated before I could look at the patch size. So before I can look at it, I don't know what the size is, but I do know what the storage was before. So previously on the 1.004, size was 37.83 gigabytes. Now with the new update, it is 37.87 gigabytes. So that's about 40 megabytes. So the patch size had to be somewhere between like 40 megabytes to, who knows, 400 megabytes. But it was just a small update which fixed localization issues with costume names in some languages. It addressed game crashing issues, added general stability fixes, and other minor tweaks. I don't recall the game ever crashing for me. As much as I played this game, got all the achievements, I've never had any issues, so I'm glad about that. But I guess maybe when they updated a little bit, they had some issues. So I think that's it, really, on the update for Silent Hill F. Again, I redid everything I could in this game. Not much else to do other than just to, replay it for fun.